And welcome back to Girl Talk. Now we know that skincare technology has made huge leaps and bounds in the past few years. The advances are amazing. Radiance Skin Therapy is so great at keeping up with the latest and greatest, and that's where we've been filming today. And we've said before, this is the moment you've been waiting for. This really is the moment we've been waiting for because they have some new technology that they haven't been ready to tell us about until now. Joining us is Ann Wallace, an aesthetic RN. Did I get it right?
You did.
Welcome. Thank you for having us here today.
Thank you for having us.
And also congratulations on your new remodel of the facility.
It's
it
gorgeous.
Really is.
Thank you. Thank you. We're really enjoying it.
It was nice before, but now it's a little bit bigger.
Yes. Yes.
All right, so let's dig in. Thermia.
Thermia.
What is it?
Thermia is a new treatment we're going to be offering here at Radiance for feminine rejuvenation.
Interesting. I've heard of that before.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what are some of the benefits of Thermia that they can offer?
So for most women, as we know, as we age, as we go through menopause, have babies, things change. Things aren't as snug as they used to be. Things don't appear as they used to. Sometimes if we're running, we're laughing, coughing, sneezing, jumping, we have some unexpected leaks. So Thermia will help with all those things. It increases the tightness of your tissue inside and out. It helps reshape your tissue. It will help decrease those unexpected leaks. It improves moisture, and it also will heighten sensation.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's amazing.
And what exactly is it?
So it's radio frequency that's delivered to the area, and it heats the area at your comfort level. So it's not uncomfortable at all, and it improves collagen production.
So not a ton of downtime or discomfort?
Actually, there's no downtime or discomfort. It feels like a warm stone massage. We deliver the warmth to the area, customized to everybody's comfort.
Sure.
As far as downtime, there is none. You can resume all regular activities that day, including intimacy.
Wow.
The procedure itself only takes about 30 to 45 minutes, so it would be something that you could do on your lunch hour.
That's amazing. I've heard of other procedures years ago that sounded so much more drastic surgery-wise to remedy some of those situations, and they really are a huge inconvenience for women
Right.
as they try to just go through their day-to-day. So how many treatments before, I guess, it works?
So they recommend a series of 3 treatments about 4 to 6 weeks apart. And then after that, and of course everyone is different, but after that, usually just 1 treatment annually to maintain.
One annually to maintain.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I think it's interesting because it's a sensitive topic. So you know, like,
Yes.
And I know there are probably people who don't want to talk about it but are still curious about the price.
It's out
Yes.
there.
Yes.
It really is.
Yes. Yes. You know so many women who again are, post-baby aging, and we've all experienced some of those symptoms. And it's nice to know that there's something out there that can help you with those.
Absolutely.
What are some of the prices?
So it's $900 a treatment.
Okay.
Nice. That's good. Yeah.
And how can people learn more about it or come talk to you if they have questions or they just want to feel comfortable and know how it works?
They can check out our website at radianceskintherapy.com, or they can call us and we offer free consults.
Oh, that's so perfect.
Yes.
And I want to touch on too, because we've got a little bit of time, just really the scope of all of the different things that you do here, because I think it's pretty incredible. Could you give us a little bit of an overview?
Sure. So not only are we now offering the Thermia, we do injectables, including Botox and filler. We do lots of skincare, including the BBL laser. We do the cool sculpting. We do the hydrofacial. We do a lot of different things here. The Vela shape. We have a lot of different things to offer.
And it really depends. I think that the approach that there's 2 approaches I think of with Radiance. One, Anne has said, what do I want, what do I need at this stage in my life? Because I bet there are other women out there that are feeling and wanting the same things. And then also just the individual, what is bothering you?
Yes.
And and then you have something that really can work for everybody, it seems like.
Yes, we really do. There's so many different things that bother women at different times in their life, and I feel like we really hit on a lot of those.
And I'm sure it ends up happening where somebody comes in for one thing they have in mind, and then they end up talking to you about other things that are bothering them, and you're like, we do this and this, right?
Yes.
I'm sure that happens all the time.
It really does. They come in for one treatment, they're like, oh, I didn't know you had a treatment for this.
That a treatment even existed.
Yes, exactly, exactly. And so it's great because there's so many different things that we offer here.
I love that. Let's touch on some changes too now that you have remodeled, and it's important to know you guys are kind of finishing up at this point, but you're still open. You've been open the whole time.
We're open the whole time. Our hours have stayed the same. Nothing has changed. You can come during our regular business hours, and we're not closed at all for the reconstruction.
That's perfect. And really now more space, so you can help more people. That's the benefit.
Yes. We've added a few more rooms. We have a few more treatment rooms. We have a photo room, so that'll be nice for when we do our photos before and after, so that's nice. And we have a room that's dedicated just for cool sculpting. So it's really nice. So we can increase our client base and people can feel welcome and it's open. It's very nice.
And you're a fairly new addition too.
I am.
And what are some of your specialties before we let you go here?
So I do anything with a needle. I do Botox, filler, the PRP for the thinning hair, and then I'll also be doing the Thermia.
We should sometime talk about some of the services for guys. It is girl talk, but we know that our guys are out there, and they may not admit it, but they have wish lists too.
Yes, they do. Yeah. Yes, they do.
And there are solutions right here that can help them.
Yes,
absolutely. And thank you so much for having us here today. And come in, check them out. They do free consultations to find out what can be done to help you for what's bothering you. All right, well, that's it for our show today. Thank you to all of our guests. Thank you for watching. If you missed part of our program or you want to share it with someone, you can find us on YouTube. We'll see you next time.
Beauty and styling for Girl Talk provided by the Ultimate Veritas Spa and Salon.